All right. I think that's the sort of countdown to the close. Jay, great to have you with us here. Thank you very much for your time. Appreciate it as always here on CNBC TV18. We're down 200. We'll end down 200 points. So taking a big bite out of yesterday's gains is what we've done. And I think the Nifty Bank will end about 0.25% lower. So at least today it did a little better, but falling less as compared to what the Nifty did. And small cap index, I mean, far off the day's high. We were up 1% of the small cap index at about 220 as we were walking in. We end with about 0.25% gain. So that's a far cry from where that index was. Mid cap index is firmly in the red with a full near 0.5% cut in trade today. Yes.
The bell is gone and the Nifty has managed to, at least on the last tick, defend 21,500, though it's a very steep 200-point fall on the Nifty. And the Sensex is ending below 71,200 after taking a cut of 750 points. Mid-caps too nursing a loss of 0.5%. But today the banks fared relatively better, at least the losses. The Nifty Bank was down just about 0.2%. The bigger losses were seen in the CPSE index as it saw a cut of close to about 1.5%, while the energy index too was down 1.5%.
Well, overall, if you're looking at the mid-cap screen, we're down about 0.4% over here, absolutely even, Stephen, on the advanced decline ratio, with some of the PSU stocks actually cooling off a little bit. So you've got some of the railway names, for instance, Ircon, IRFC, these are down 2.5%. But on the flip side, you do have some names like BHEL, UCO, these managed PNB, some of the PSU banks, for instance, they managed to find some traction. In terms of key result reactions, RR Cable is down about 3%. And Z is a stock in focus as well, as a lot of the litigation gets underway, arbitration proceedings, and then, of course, the move with the NCLT here, 6% up on Z as the day closes out. Well, with that, we're out of time on this edition of Closing Bell. Thank you very much for being with us, but don't go anywhere because all the action continues. Up next is Markets Forward.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.